It's been a while since I recorded from this location. All right, so let's talk about the bounce that we just had on Bitcoin and in crypto in general. We had a double bottom. We were exactly at the 20-month moving average, which is a very long-term moving average. And chances are this moving average is going to bounce the price. Even if the price breaks below it in the future, it will at least bounce the price a few more times before breaking below it. Even though I still think the higher chance is that the 20-month moving average will save the day and we're going to start swinging up from here, then not break below it. But even if we were going to break below it, I think it won't break below it in the first or second try. I think it's going to stay there for a little bit and then we will see. But of course, not guaranteed. I mean, anything can happen really. So, but for now we are bouncing. We had a double bottom and now we are already above the 20-month moving average. And if we look at the weekly time frame, we are more or less at the same price level where the candle opened on Monday. If we get to close from the level that it opened, this is going to be a bullish candle, and this could still qualify as a bounce on the golden cross that we had during this week on the weekly time frame. So if the candle closes like it is right now or similar, and next week we have a green candle going up, this will qualify as a bounce on the golden cross. Of course, it's many ifs here, we don't know yet, but it's not looking all too bad. From the daily and smaller time frames, we can see a clear double bottom. The price went up 16% in a matter of 1 day or 1 day and a half, so that's quite the bounce. I think we need to retrace now to some Fibonacci level, maybe the 38, maybe the 50, maybe the 61. It would be more than normal to retrace. Even if we go to the 61.8, that would be 6,800 more or less. And then from there, we could still see continuation of this bounce. The volume wasn't incredible, but it was a nice spike. Overall, the volume is still decreasing in bigger time frames. So yeah, not that good indicator currently. But the pattern is so far a double bottom, and this is usually a reversal pattern, unless this turns into something else later. But so far the pattern is a double bottom, so chances are we're reversing from here. But like I said, I wouldn't be surprised we retrace to the 50% level or maybe the 61.8. So we'll monitor this, but this is the situation for right now. I'm bullish as ever, and the longer this downswing lasts, the more bullish I will become, because swings don't last forever going in the same direction. So the longer it takes, the more extended it's going to be and the more bullish I will become. So yeah, I'm bullish as ever. I think the sentiment's still 50-50. I see it very, very neutral. But I guess it's normal that there's not that many bears, because we went up from the bottom to the top at 14,000, we went up 350%, and we retraced only 50% of the total price, and it took 6 months to do this. So the big picture, it's not so bad. So that's why I understand why there's not that many bears. For me, I would prefer to see many more bears, much more fear in the market. I would be a lot more bullish. It's not the case, but at the same time, I think it's normal, because we've gone up a lot during this year. Even though we had, for the past 5 or 6 months, we had this painful and slow and boring, choppy downswing. Yes, it sucks. People are frustrated, but overall, for the past 12 months, we've gone up a lot. So I guess it's normal that there's not that much bearish sentiment in the market. I don't take it, so serious. I think it's normal. After the depression phase, we move into disbelief and then into positivism. And I think we're transitioning, from depression into positivism. I said that many times. That's why the fact that the sentiment is not 90% bearish, it's not that important, because it's normal. I mean, we are up a lot since the beginning of the year. So yeah, that's my views on the market. Thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas, everyone. I'll show you the views one more time here. This is just beautiful. And yeah, enjoy the holiday season, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.